This Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is designed for people who want authentic, restaurant-style pizza at home without committing to a bulky outdoor oven or complicated setup. And it succeeds by bringing extremely high heat and precise control into a compact countertop format. Built by Chefman, this electric pizza oven targets home cooks who are serious about pizza quality but still want convenience, safety, and reliability. From casual frozen pizzas to handcrafted Neapolitan-style dough, this appliance aims to bridge the gap between everyday home cooking and professional pizza results by focusing on temperature, heat retention, and ease of use. One of the most impressive aspects of the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is its ability to reach temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the defining factor behind truly great pizza. Traditional home ovens rarely exceed half that temperature, limiting crust development and overall texture. With this level of heat, the Chefman oven allows dough to rise quickly, blister properly, and develop that signature crisp yet airy structure that pizza lovers associate with professional kitchens. The high heat also ensures toppings cook evenly without drying out the crust, delivering a balanced result that feels intentional rather than improvised. The oven's countertop design is another major strength, particularly for users who lack outdoor space or prefer an all-in-one indoor solution. Despite its powerful heating capability, the unit maintains a footprint that fits comfortably in most kitchens, making it practical for apartments, condos, and smaller homes. Its stainless steel exterior adds a clean, modern look that blends naturally with contemporary appliances, while also being easy to wipe clean after use. This combination of compact size and premium appearance makes it more likely to stay accessible on the counter rather than stored away and forgotten. Ease of use plays a significant role in the overall experience, and the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven delivers through its 5 touchscreen presets. These presets are calibrated for Neapolitan, New York, thin crust, pan, and frozen pizzas, removing guesswork for users who may not be familiar with managing high-heat pizza ovens. Each preset adjusts top and bottom heating elements automatically, allowing the oven to adapt to different dough styles and thicknesses. For users who want more control, the manual mode offers the flexibility to fine-tune temperature settings, making it suitable for experimentation and personalization. Heat retention and consistency are crucial for making multiple pizzas in one session, and this oven performs well in that area thanks to its double-paned window and insulated design. Once the oven reaches its target temperature, it holds heat effectively, allowing users to cook back-to-back pizzas without long recovery times. This feature is especially valuable for families, gatherings, or anyone hosting a pizza night, as it eliminates the stop-and-start frustration common with standard home ovens. Watching pizzas cook through the window also adds to the experience, offering visual feedback without opening the door and losing heat. The included accessories further enhance the value of this pizza oven and make it ready to use straight out of the box. The pizza stone plays a critical role in absorbing and distributing heat evenly, helping create a crisp base without burning. The included pizza peel simplifies transferring pizzas in and out of the oven safely, which is essential when working at such high temperatures. These additions remove the need for immediate extra purchases and lower the barrier for beginners who want professional-style results without assembling a full toolkit. Performance consistency is another area where the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven stands out. The dual heating elements allow both the top and bottom of the pizza to cook evenly, reducing the risk of undercooked centers or overcharred toppings. This balance is particularly noticeable when cooking different pizza styles, from thin crust to pan style, where uneven heat can easily ruin texture. The ability to adjust temperatures between 300 and 800 degrees Fahrenheit also expands the oven's usefulness beyond pizza, allowing users to experiment with flatbreads or other high-heat recipes. Safety and reliability are addressed through CETL approval and built-in safety features that support long-term use. Operating at extremely high temperatures indoors can be intimidating, but the oven's construction and insulation help manage heat safely, while its electric operation eliminates concerns associated with open flames. This makes it a more approachable option for households that want high-performance cooking without additional risks. From a lifestyle perspective, the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven encourages more frequent homemade meals by making the process fast, enjoyable, and rewarding. Instead of waiting for delivery or settling for average frozen pizza, users can prepare fresh pies in minutes with full control over ingredients, portions, and flavors. Over time, this can lead to healthier choices, cost savings, and a deeper appreciation for cooking as an experience rather than a chore in terms of value. This pizza oven positions itself as a specialized appliance with a clear purpose, and it delivers on that promise. While it may not replace a traditional oven for all cooking needs, it excels in its intended role and offers capabilities that standard kitchen appliances simply cannot match. For pizza enthusiasts, the performance gains justify the investment by delivering results that feel genuinely different, not just marginally better. Pros: the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven reaches true high temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, enabling authentic restaurant-quality pizza at home. Its compact countertop design fits well in most kitchens while still offering professional-level performance. Touchscreen presets simplify cooking for different pizza styles, while manual control allows customization. Strong heat retention supports back-to-back cooking, and included accessories like the pizza stone and peel add immediate value. Cons: the oven is highly specialized, meaning it is best suited for pizza and similar high-heat foods rather than general baking. Its premium performance may exceed the needs of casual users who only make pizza occasionally. Countertop space is still required, which may be a consideration in very small kitchens. Final verdict: the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven is an excellent choice for anyone who takes pizza seriously and wants professional results without leaving home. Its combination of extreme heat, smart presets, and compact design makes it one of the most capable indoor pizza ovens available for everyday use. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and decide if this oven is the upgrade your kitchen has been waiting for. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.